My name is Mary Joseph, Prabhu Jishu Girja. First thing, being a youth of this generation, our lives are so much distracted with all these earthly desires, things, influence. We easily get influenced. Coming to this retreat, I have literally regained my conscious that we lose and getting involved and influenced by these earthly desires, wants, money, relationships, or maybe these earthly desires of having earthly things. We forget about the things that are heavenly, the spiritual gift that God has given us. It's so important to go for something that's everlasting instead of something that's just temporary. So I have understood that Christ is the life, the way, and the truth. Following Him is everlasting love. The things that we thirst for, love, youth, as in youth, we need somebody to trust. At this stage in life, it's very important to trust someone, to love someone who can give you that love and trust back, who can maintain it. And there's no one better than Jesus. First thing, as a human being, it's very, very difficult to forgive. And this sacrament has literally made me feel like I'm so empty with I'm so empty with the things that I should be filled with, like that's coming from Christ to me, and I'm filled with all these earthly things like grudges, hatred, anguish. These are things which like take away the humanity from us, which is the essence that Jesus has come to this world to spread. Humanity is above everything. I have learned to forgive people. It was very difficult to me to forgive people before, but this sitting in front of this holy sacrament, worshipping, adoring Christ, touching your neighbor's feet, asking for forgiveness, and forgiving. It's so important to realize that without forgiving, you cannot forgive yourself. You yourself can't forgive yourself if you don't forgive others. So, asking forgiveness from Christ is. I think they must attend. They have missed something they have not realized yet. If they come to this retreat, they will feel the presence of God. They will get to realize what they are lacking in their lives. They might just come back to the track they are misleading.